Hey, Kenny again, Porch series number 2, and this is leaders following through with the left side of their bodies. Particularly, notice this on swing outs with free outside turns, but it could happen anywhere. So what we're looking at is step, step, dribble, step. We were noticing that as they were leading that free turn, the left side of their body was lagging behind, followers didn't have enough momentum. So what we're asking for, and we'll do a replacement, we got ba, ba, dribble, step, step, follow through with that hip so you can have a better release. Yeah. Show that again, different angle. Ba, 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 da. Step, follow through, triple step. And that way your right arm can have a better send. This can probably also apply to your swing outs, just finishing through with the left side of your body rotating towards your partner. So think about that. Hopefully it helps.